In this video, you'll learn how to upload a contact to Freshsales CRM. Whether you're a newbie to Freshsales or just need a refresher, this guide will walk you through each step, ensuring you're ready to manage your contacts efficiently. Let's get started. First, open up your preferred web browser and head over to freshsales.com. If you haven't already logged into your Freshsales account, you'll need to do so now. Logging in is essential because this is where all your contact data will live, and it's important to ensure you're in the right account, especially if you manage multiple accounts. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Contacts section. You can usually find this option on the main dashboard or the sidebar depending on how your Freshsales interface is set up. The Contacts area is where you'll manage all your client and lead information, so it's a good idea to familiarize yourself with it if you haven't already. Next, look for the option that says Import Contacts. This feature is incredibly useful for bringing in data from other platforms or spreadsheets, making it easy to keep all your information in one place. Click on Import Contacts to proceed. This is where the magic happens. Importing contacts in bulk can save you a lot of time compared to entering them one by one. You'll now see an option to choose between CSV or Excel files. These are the formats Freshsales accepts for imports. If you have your contacts saved in a different format, you'll need to convert them into one of these. After selecting either CSV or Excel, click Next. This will guide you to the next step in the import process. The following screen will present you with a choice again. Click on Contacts here, as we're specifically focusing on importing contact details. Once selected, click Next. This step ensures that Freshsales knows exactly what type of data you're importing, which helps it to process the information correctly. Finally, it's time to upload your file. Make sure your CSV or Excel file is ready and formatted correctly. A quick tip: ensure the headers in your file match the fields in Freshsales to avoid any mapping issues later. Click the Upload button and select your file from your computer. Once your file is uploaded, Freshsales will guide you through any additional steps needed to finalize the import, such as mapping fields or reviewing the data for accuracy. And that's it! You've successfully uploaded a contact to Freshsales CRM. Remember, keeping your contact data organized is crucial for effective client management and communication. With these straightforward steps, you can easily manage and update your contacts as your business grows. If you encounter any issues, Freshsales' support team is always there to help, or you can revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher. Thanks for watching and happy managing.